again to my channel, The Appalachian Home, and if you're new, my name is Christy, so welcome. On this channel we do lots of DIY projects, handmade farmhouse decor, and farmhouse signs, so I hope you enjoy this video. So today we're doing a fun project. I'm making these handmade pillowcase covers. These you can do for fall or for Christmas, so we're going to be doing some of these. I'm just using some drop cloth material that I got from Lowe's. I think it was Lowe's or Harbor Freight Tools, but I'll link it down in the description. And I'm also using my Cricut to cut out these simple, cute little iron-ons. And I just love these. I saw these on a website and I thought it would be really neat to make these. These are super inexpensive, but you can make these for around $2 or $3 a piece, which I thought was awesome. But I'm just using simple drop cloth material. I did not bleach this. I'm just using it as it came in the store. I'm going to be making these with my EasyPress iron, and I cut these out using my Cricut Maker. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll go ahead and get started with our project. Here I have the drop cloth laid out and actually folded in half. I'm going to be cutting out a piece that's 52 inches long by 21.5 inches wide. This is going to fit a 20-inch pillow insert, and I made mine just a bit bigger, 21.5, because I want some room for my pillow. But I'm going ahead and cutting out a piece that is 36 by 21.5, and because my drop cloth is folded in half, I don't have to cut out the full 52-inch length. But after we get this cut out, we're just going to be finishing both of the ends. On the ends, you'll want to fold in a 1/2 inch and then fold it in again, and that will give you a nice seam along both of the edges. So here I'm just doing the first edge, and I'm just going to use a simple straight stitch. I'm sewing very close to the inside edge, and once I get this done, I'm going to be doing the other end. You want to make sure that both of your ends are folded in on the same side, so that when you fold your pillowcase in and sew it up, both of your finished edges are showing on the outside. Now I'm going to go ahead and fold the pillowcase cover exactly as it's going to be when I sew it up, and I'm making a 4-inch overlap between the two ends. That way I will have plenty of room to get my pillow in. I'm just putting some pins in here to temporarily hold this in place while I flip it over and get ready to put on the iron-on. Okay, so I've already went ahead and cut out the iron-on. I just used my Cricut Maker, and I'm using the Cricut brand iron-on material in the color black. So if you have a Cricut machine and want to know how to do this, I just went into Cricut's design space and typed out some phrases I thought would look cute on these pillows. Hello pumpkin, farmhouse, I love you, a latte. I changed the letter spacing also to about a -0.5, and you can also ungroup all of your letters and adjust them that way. And then I resized it to fit the pillowcase. This I love you, a latte was about 14.5 inches long by about 7 inches tall. I'll leave a link for these designs if you guys just want to go ahead and download a PNG. I'll post some of these for you on my website. So after I've resized and ready to cut this out, I'm just going to go to Make It. Be sure and mirror your image anytime you're working with iron-on materials. So this is ready to iron on. I'm going to get a sheet of parchment paper and place over this, and I have my EasyPress heating up to 330 degrees, and we'll be pressing this for 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and take some of these pins out and move this seam back up under the pillowcase so that I can press this flat without any creases being under my iron-on. If you're going to be using a regular household iron, you'll need to turn off your steam setting and put it on the highest setting for cotton materials. I'm just placing the iron-on directly in the center of the pillowcase, and I'm just going to cover it with some parchment paper. And I had to adjust my iron settings to 315 degrees, and I'm going to be pressing it for 20 seconds the first time to keep my iron from actually burning the canvas. So I'm going to be pressing each side 20 seconds, and then I'm moving it over again for another 10 seconds. After I finish pressing the front, I'm flipping it over and press for another 15 seconds on the back. I'll leave a link in the description for settings Cricut recommends for using a household iron on the iron-on material. I'm going to let this completely cool, and then I'm going to remove the clear transfer from the top. Now I'm just going to do one last pressing for about 15 seconds. So the last thing I'm doing is just folding the pillowcase inside out, and now I'll be sewing up along each of the edges to close the pillowcase. I'm sewing up both edges, leaving about a 1/2 inch seam allowance. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and watching this project. I loved doing it. I'm already making some more of these. I hope this gave you some great ideas, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys again in a few days with another video.